Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are going to learn how to crochet an I-cord. An I-cord is great if you're wanting something a little bit stronger than a chain, something more like a rope or a cord. Works great for drawstrings and purse straps and things like that. To start, you're going to make a slip knot. You're going to chain 3. Now you're going to go into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. I like to go into the back bar. So this back bar, I'm going to pull up a loop here. Now I'm going to go into the last chain and pull up a loop there. So now I've got 3 loops on my hook. Now what we're going to do the entire time we're making this cord is we're going to remove the last 2 loops that we just made, and we're going to pinch them really hard with these 2 fingers. We're going to pinch them so they don't go anywhere, so we don't pull them out. So pinch, pinch, pinch. Use your working yarn and chain 1 through the one that's still left on your hook. Okay? Now you're going to insert your hook into the first loop that you dropped and pull up a chain, or pull up a loop, go into the last one, and pull up a loop there. Okay? That's it. There's number 1. Now we're going to pinch, or remove the hook from those last 2 we just made. Pull this yarn over. There you go. Pull up a loop. Insert your hook into that first one. Pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the last, and pull up a loop. Ta-da! Do it again. Last 2, pinch, pull up a loop, insert into that first loop, and pull up a loop, insert into that last, and pull up a loop. And that's all there is to crocheting an I-cord. I'm going to continue for a little bit because the longer you do it, the sides of the cord kind of turn in on itself, and it makes it more rounded instead of just a flat 3-stitch wide cord, if that makes sense. So we're going to do a little bit more. Pinch. Do not forget the pinch because it's very easy to lose those 2 loops as you go. All right, do a few more. This is really all there is to an I-cord. These work excellent for, like I said, drawstrings or purse straps, handles, anything like that. I'm going to stop after this one. Make sure I can get it in there. Pull up that loop. Alright, so now you can see that my cord, kind of pull it a little bit, it's a lot more dense than just a single chain, and look how it's starting to curl in on itself to create more of a cylindrical cord instead of just a flat 3-stitch wide, right? So now to finish our I-cord, I'm just going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of these loops like this. Kind of pull it just a little bit, and then in order to actually finish off, I would pull through again and make that into a knot and fasten off. I could clip this yarn over here and just pull this right on through, and we would have ourselves a lovely little I-cord. Isn't that great? Make it as long or as short as you like, and then when you're done you can use your yarn needle and just weave this end in up through the center here on both sides, and you've got yourself a beautiful little cord. I hope that you love this video, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks for watching.